Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: 7 manipulation techniques. Manipulation is a powerful tool that can be used for both positive and negative purposes. In this video, we'll explore 7 common manipulation techniques, how they work, and how to recognize them in everyday life. 1. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a technique where someone manipulates you into questioning your own perception, memory, or sanity. They might deny things you know to be true, making you doubt yourself. For example, "That never happened, you're imagining things." It's a form of psychological manipulation aimed at undermining your confidence. 2. Guilt tripping. Guilt tripping involves making someone feel guilty for their actions or decisions, often by portraying themselves as a victim. This technique leverages empathy to manipulate behavior. For instance, "I've sacrificed so much for you, and this is how you repay me." 3. Love bombing. Love bombing is an overwhelming display of affection, praise, or attention, designed to make someone feel good and indebted to the manipulator. It can happen in friendships, romantic relationships, or even in cults. The manipulator showers the target with affection and compliments to gain control. 4. Fear-mongering. Fear-mongering involves spreading fear and anxiety to gain control over others. This technique is often used in politics, media, and advertising. It plays on people's insecurities and worries to manipulate their beliefs or actions. For example, "If you don't do this, terrible consequences will follow." 5. Isolation. Isolation is a manipulation technique where the manipulator cuts off the target from their support network, making them more dependent. This can be done subtly over time, making the target feel like they have no one else to turn to but the manipulator. 6. Triangulation. Triangulation involves bringing a third party into a relationship or situation to manipulate the dynamics. The manipulator may compare the target to someone else, creating jealousy or insecurity. This technique can create division and weaken relationships. 7. Playing the victim. Playing the victim involves portraying oneself as the innocent party who has been wronged, often to deflect criticism or avoid accountability. Manipulators use this technique to garner sympathy and manipulate others into taking their side. Conclusion: understanding these manipulation techniques is crucial for recognizing when they're being used on you or others. Awareness empowers us to protect ourselves and others from falling prey to manipulation. Remember, manipulation isn't always obvious, but by staying informed and vigilant, we can navigate relationships and situations with greater clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching.